Polimullar, there is work that is being undertaken by PWD Highway Division from that Agnal Ashram down to Nuve. So they had applied for permission to cut some trees. So I requested the DCF, Margao, to assist them and immediately grant the necessary permission, which he has assured he will look into it and he will apply for those. I mean, he will grant the permission as sought by PWD. PWD also brought up an issue of their application that was submitted regarding cutting of trees somewhere in Kankon. So that too he has assured he will look into and dispose of it. Both these areas have got issues pertaining to private forest. For example, the stretch between Agnal Ashram and Nuve, there are 2 trees that fall under private forest, for which the DCF doesn't seem to have powers to permit cutting. So he has requested that they should remove those. Basically, that one application should be split into 2. Trees that fall within private forest, one application. Trees that fall outside private forest, another application. And he said he will immediately approve the trees that are falling outside private forest. Regarding the trees that fall within the private forest, he will submit the file to his superiors and he will get that done. Then he will submit to the tree authority and get it done. Then there was a couple of requests that came regarding illegal construction cases. Some of the cases fall within the purview of the Deputy Collector. In fact, the BJP Mandal had come with requests regarding these regularizations. They came with a list of around seven places. 2 have already been approved. 1 falls within the CRZ area, so they have no authority. So that way, all the 6 cases this way or that way have been disposed of. Then some requests came to what we have requested the Forest Department is that whenever somebody applies for a conversion, that they should the Deputy Collector or the Collectorate will send a list to the DCF, and he will check his records in what falls in forest area or private forest or whatever. Accordingly, he will inform the Collectorate. Whatever falls out of these areas, he will also inform, which will facilitate the Collectorate to go ahead and grant conversions. Then there was a request regarding regularization, again, of houses. The Forest Department has also simplified the process, and which in turn is facilitating regularization of structures, subject to, of course, the other rules or other requirements being met. Then there was a case of illegal construction somewhere in Kunkulin, which the Collectorate has promised to take up, look into the matter and immediately get the issue solved. There was a request from Traffic Police Cell to PWD to ensure that the renovation of the proposed traffic police traffic police station or the cell that is coming up at Fatorda be completed immediately, which PWD has agreed to complete the work within 7 days. Then we've had a review of various PWD works vis-a-vis highways, WRD, Panchayat, a general list. Like there's one lady who claims that her land was taken in 2012 by PWD with an assurance that she would be compensated. They have not acquired the land. In good faith, she's given the NOC. So PWD has started the process. I know that inspections have been conducted to check up what exactly are the details pertaining to that grievance of his, and we will try and resolve it as soon as we can. Then similarly, there was an issue in Majorda, wherein somebody's land was again taken in good faith, but he has not been compensated. Then another issue came regarding that Majorda subway. There again, the owner of the land gave in good faith, and till date, he has not been compensated. So these three cases, they've assured that they will look after. Then there was an issue regarding person has applied for under RTI for certain documents, and which he claims he's applied 3-4 months ago, which till date has not been given to him. So we have assured him that he's going to get those documents today itself. I've reviewed the construction of the High Court in Margao. That also is being monitored by the High Court. So I think with the intervention of the High Court, that issue would be, construction would be resolved shortly.